Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. As you can see in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can embed your Calendly link or calendar onto your Squarespace website. So let's get right into it. Now, firstly, before I do anything, let me just delete this page over here so that I can start fresh. And as you can see, this is what my page looks like without the Calendly embed. Now to embed Calendly, we're going to go ahead and click on edit, click on add block into the section where you want to add it, click on embed, drag it over to your desired location, click on the pencil icon to start editing it, click code snippet and click embed data. Now to get this data, we're going to go over into our Calendly page and we're going to go into event types. Once you're here, select the event type you want to link or you want to embed, click on share and then go ahead and click add to website, select inline embed, click continue, and now we have access to our HTML code. Now to embed this, just click copy code, go over back to your Squarespace website and just paste it over in this segment right over here. Now as you'll see, it doesn't show it in the editor as of yet. You need to click on the preview in safe mode. This is because it doesn't allow embeds to show if you're still editing the site and logged into it, and because my site is not published, I can only view it once logged in, so we're just going to keep it like that. And now that we're in safe mode, if I go ahead and save these options and click exit, as you'll see, the Calendly has been embedded. Now, this might not show up for you. In that case, what you're going to want to do is go over into pages, scroll all the way down and select web tools or website tools, and then click on code injection. In that case, you're going to select this code, which I just found on this Calendly guide site on the help center. Just copy over this text right over here, copy it into the header section and click save. And once you save it, Calendly should show up perfectly fine on your page, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.